It's a car speaker. The paper has broken. I am going to change this paper. I already checked the coil. The coil is okay. Again, I am checking this coil. Look, it's making noise. That means it's okay. Now it's showing 4 ohms. Look, it's showing 4 ohms. That means coil is fully okay. No need to change the coil. Just I'm going to change this paper only. Spider and coil is fully okay. Now I'm going to use this paper. First I have to clean this speaker nicely. Need to take out all paper. It's very easy to change the paper. You also can do. Be careful about the coil loop. Be careful. Here is the coil loop, the wire. Okay. Now coil is saved. Need to take out the extra glue from the coil. I am taking out the extra glue. Yes, this is the extra glue. Which is glue used for the paper. It's okay. This paper need to cut. The hole is smaller than the coil. I am cutting this paper. Need to cut again. Need little bit cut. Be careful, don't cut extra. Don't cut so much because coil. This paper need to tight with the coil. Paper need to be tight with the coil. Now this looks okay. The hole is okay. The paper hole is okay with the coil. Fully fixed. Now I have to use some paper, plastic paper, um, to measure the coil. Wait, I fix again. Need to delete cut again. Okay, it's fully okay now. Now need some plastic paper. This paper must have to use, otherwise the speaker makes noise and it will not work. Need 4 paper. I need to take out the paper first. This four paper. We have to use four paper in four corner to balance the coil with a magnet. It's okay. Now, now need to put the glue. Now need to put the glue. I am using this glue. This solution needs some time to dry. This type of glue needs some time to dry, minimum 3 hours. I put this speaker for 3 hours. After drying, I will again repair. First I put the glue and I have to put for 3 hours. Now I have to put this speaker for 3 hours. 3 hours ready. Now I have to take out this paper. This paper is little bit stuck. Okay. Now it's very easy. Now look, it's very easy. Now I have to put the glue here, paper and the body. I am using glue between paper and body. Again I have to put this speaker for 3 hours. Have to take need to give time to dry this the glue for 3 hours. 3 hours ready. I already fixed the paper. Now I have to make two holes to fix this coil with the connection loop. I'm making two holes. Look, here is two connector and two wire. This wire have to go using this hole. Then also now need to solder with coil and the wire. I am fixing this coil with the wire. Need to solder nicely. It's okay. Now need to put the glue. I'm cutting the extra wire. I'm using the glue. Need again for 3 hours to dry it. I cut the extra wire. Now look, the speaker is working well. Now I need to use this cap, dust cap. Using this glue, I am using this glue. Okay, again need 3 hours to dry. Now I am going to fix the body. Okay, need some time. It's okay. Dry ready. Look, the speaker is okay. Speaker is fully okay. Now I am going to check the speaker. I'm so sorry I cannot play the song for the copyright issue, but I am playing. You can see has two nice connector. Now playing song. Look, the speaker is working very well. Working is well. The sound is very nice. The bass also is good quality bass. Look, thank you for watching.